SPGC stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to cover all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Sachs Parente Golf stock is an interesting play. I have done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Now, looking at SPGC, you can see I'm very open-minded and so kind of careful to only pull the trigger and be bullish on this as long as the rules are met. And honestly, here, just like sitting on the pretty much boundary here on my I mean, let's to put it in another perspective, unless I see like this double break, it really depends what we break first. It's either going to be this high, right, or something else. And I would rather just wait for the price to give me the rules rather than trying to force up charts without having no idea what I'm doing, right? So depends on like whether we break these highs or these lows first. I'll keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.